different directions. I'll head south.
No, I should head south.
And why is that?
Because Astrid likes to fly south, and she'll obviously be expecting me to rescue her.
Like I said, I'll go south.
Rain, wind, all of us splitting up? Sounds like the perfect opportunity for a rogue sea beast to leap from the depths of the ocean and pick us off, one by one.
All right, gang, let's go find her.
She's gonna be so sad when you rescue her instead of me.
Oh, don't worry, I'll tell her it was all you.
You'd do that for me?
No, of course I wouldn't.
Astrid! Astrid!
Bad dragon! Okay, new plan. I'll look for Astrid, you fly the dragon.
Good idea!
Astrid! Okay, new plan. I'll fly the dragon, you look for Astrid.
Good idea! Astrid!
Huh? Look! That must be her! Take us down, Hook Fang! Astrid, your Viking in shining Grunkle Iron is here! Not Astrid! Not Astrid! So not Astrid!
Still nothing. She's gotta be out here somewhere. Astrid! Astrid! Astrid!
What took you so long?
Oh, thank Thor. Whew.
Ugh.